Sa dami ng wireless mouse na nasubukan ko, ito na ata yung pinaka-cool or astig. So ito yung FuryCube G11 wireless mouse. Available to sa white pero kinuha ko yung black version. As you can see, meron siyang contour-like pattern, cutout yung shell niya, ng mix of triangles and polygon shape to allow na ma-expose yung RGB light that I really like. And not to mention, nagbabago-bago yung ilaw niyan depende sa DPI settings na isa-set mo. So, ang target market ng mouse na to ay intended for gamers. But personally, I just want to use it for my daily productivity and editing. And as mentioned kanina, equipped to with DPI settings na pwede mo iset up to 22,000. Lightweight din to at weighing around 70 grams lang. Compatible to for both Windows and Mac, tri-mode connection, at meron na rin siyang 500 mAh na battery. And lastly, build quality niya is really exceptional. As you can see, ang ganda ng cutout ng shell and maganda rin yung base, kapit na kapit siya sa clicker is really good at pati yung mouse scroller natin at hindi mo akalain na less than 1,000 lang yung mouse na. Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng well-built gaming mouse na pasok sa budget mo, check nyo tong kay FuryCube G11. Ilalagay ko yung product niyan dito sa basket ko sa baba.